Hello friends, today I will introduce you one beautiful software. My name is Shibin, we are from Kerala, India, and this is the software which is available for VAT edition, also in GST edition. It's a beautiful touchscreen interface software. You can see this, just I click on 1, 2, 3, 4. The software is open. There is two options are there is a control panel for the admin panel and there is a sales panel. This is POS. Of course, it is a POS panel. It's a beautiful interface, and this is a one of our latest update I will show you. If you click on any products, if it is coming including image, it will be more user friendly and easy for you. For example, I click on body care. See, I click on body care. See, immediately you can see all the images is displayed over here. If I click on cosmetics, immediately the images is displayed over there. So it will be easy. You can control the software if the person he is not familiar with computers and this kind of applications. They also can run very fastly. So let me show you. For example, any person, they want this product, particular product, click on that, automatically it will display over here, and click on the pay button and click here, for example, 10 rupees is given, yani balance, click on cash, balance it will display over here, click on yes, print will come over there. See, the sharp quality printout you can see over here, the beautiful one. The number one quality you can see over here. This is the VAT edition, same we have a GST edition as well. And the thing is that if you want to do with the barcode scanner, of course there is option is there through barcode scanner on the top, or if you want to select product like that, you can do like that also. For each product you can upload image for that particular product. In that case, what will happen? Your person, for example, you assign someone in your shop, they will handle this system very nicely. This software is basically offline software, any VB.NET project and SQL database. This same system I connected and shared with one of my desktop. You can see over here desktop, it will looks very beautifully because it is big screen. So you will looks beautiful interface over here. Here also the same products you are looking in that one also in the touch monitor also. And the same product you will find it over here. I connected with a network cable. This is the network cable. Through network cable I connected both PCs. You can also connect this one with a network cable. You can call us 0091 or 0091 8071 0091 8078 311945 or 8606093110. Both number you can call us, and let me show you one more thing. In the back side there is a display called customer display. Let me show you. Just click on some products, please. See, if you click on some products, it will appear over here. You see this, you can see over here. Once again, click it. Yes, see, this is 117. See, 0.07. Same. It will look in the interface here. See, it is showing over here. Yes, just click on pay button, cash button and yes button. See, the printout is there. Your printout is ready with you, and this is the sharp quality, time, date, everything it will come. And there is, why it is multiple sharing option is there. For example, your salesperson, your staff or employee, they can log in with a different login ID, and they will get each person will get different reports. So that's the thing. And here also let me show you some printouts. For example, here it is blank. Now you can select some products like that with your mouse, or if you have scanner, you can scan through barcode as well. And I click some products, click on this pay button over here, you can see, or F2 in the keyboard, click on cash button or F1, or click on yes, enter. See, it's very fast. The very fast way you can create the invoices for your customers. So the main concept of this software is called, for example, your counter is busy, you want to do fast billing, and you need a very simple technology system for billing. So of course, touch control and clear touch, both software is beautiful for your retail business. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.